What is up, guys? It's your boy Sheldon's here, and today I'm back. Remember last time I made a video of my PS4? I got a suggestion from someone. Um, he told me to call to call PlayStation, so I did, and they said they were going to send me that box, which arrived today. So I'm going to open it and put back the PS4 inside of it and ship it back to PlayStation so they can I don't know what they're gonna do with it, fix it or ship me a brand new one. I don't know.
Ay.
Yeah, as you guys can see, they sent me the box with instructions on what to do, um, how to pack the PS4 in, so he doesn't have any damage or anything. Um, so yeah, I'm just reading this. You see that that pink sheet right there. This is where you're gonna put the information in and tell them what's the issue with the PS4, and they're gonna ask you for the reference number. You're gonna add that in there. I'm putting the PS4 back inside of it, and these, as you can see, there's a black thing like they sent in the box to secure it. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna finish packing this and then bring it back to Fedex, and then so they can ship it to Sony for me.
Soft.